I'm Kicha, I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we're going to be making crispy egg fingers. So let's begin. Here I have 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Mix them all together. Next add mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon. Chilli flakes 1 tablespoon. Salt half a teaspoon. Pepper 1 teaspoon. Mix together. Add 1/4 cup grated mozzarella cheese. I love cheese and it's going to be the greatest dish I've ever made using cheese. Mix well. Mixed well. Transfer into a greased dish brushed with oil. Transfer all of it. I'm putting a lid on for safety. Steam for 20 to 25 minutes until when a toothpick is inserted, comes out clean. Let's wait for it to steam. Demold it and cut into equal sized fingers. It might look messy now, but after you cut it, it will look nice and neat. Add oil into a frying pan. While it's heating, let's make the batter. First add 1/4 cup flour, 3 tablespoon corn flour, pepper 1 teaspoon, chilli flakes 1 teaspoon, salt half a teaspoon. Mix. Add sufficient water and make smooth batter. Make it nice and even, not too thick or too thin. Make it a perfect consistency. As you can see, it's the perfect consistency. Now for the coating, I'm using 1/4 cup coarsely powdered cornflakes and 1/4 cup breadcrumbs. Add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix well. I made the breadcrumbs fresh by powdering 3 slices of bread. Let's dip the first egg finger into the batter and into the powder. Coat it evenly on all sides. I think there are 6 sides to it. Roll them in the breadcrumb mix. The oil is heating. Let's fry them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and fry. Fry until golden brown and flip. Let's take them out now. And our yummy crispy egg fingers are ready. Thanks for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye!